All right, we got a simple mixed operations problem here. This one is viral all over the internet. And what's confusing is that some people are claiming that a mathematics PhD is trying to say the answer was like is something like 55 or something like that, or 5. And no, actually, the math PhD says the answer is 5. But we're going to get into that and show you why that's not the case. The mathematics PhD is not saying the answer is 5. But the problem is 230 minus 220 divided by 2 equals what? All right, so if you'd like to, you can pause the video here. I'm going to bring up my pointer while we're doing that. You can pause it and we'll come back and work it out together. All right, so if you remember your order of operations, you know that multiplication and division have equal precedence and they're solved left to right. First of all, we'd look for parentheses. We would look for things like exponents. We don't have any of those, but we do have division. We don't have multiplication, but we do have division. So we have to resolve the division first. 220 divided by 2 is 110. And then from there, it's pretty simple. 230 minus 110 equals 120. So pretty simple. You can enter this into a scientific calculator, and you'll also get 120. Just be careful if you're using, a cheap dollar store calculator. Those are not good at solving mixed operations problems. And in this case, this is a Windows PC calculator that I have switched to scientific mode. If you're using standard mode, the calculator will not give you the correct answer of 120. So just be careful of that when you're using a calculator. Now we're going to go to what is known as the meme. So what a lot of people have seen on the internet is 230 minus 220 divided by 2 equals 5 with an exclamation mark. And what they're failing to remember is that 5 exclamation mark is known as a factorial. And a factorial, 5 factorial is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which happens to equal 120. So when you see this problem written out this way with 5 with an exclamation mark, just remember that 5 factorial equals, oops, 120. Cannot write very good with a mouse, but 5 factorial would be equal to 120. And so there's your answer. And so hopefully that clears this problem up for you. If this has been helpful, please consider liking, sharing, subscribing, and I look forward to seeing everybody in the next video.